Hey guys, let's have a chit chat about how to be profitable as a driver. Expediter basically covers everything that's from a van, straight truck, semi, as Trucker Josh calls it. Basically take everything you can get, especially in the slow times. I know everybody wants miles. Everybody wants to do them long trips, make as much money as humanly possible, but sometimes you got to take shorter stuff, and sometimes the short ones add up to a real long one at the end of the week or whatever. Instance today, going to near Leamington, Ontario, picking up and going back to Detroit, Michigan. Not the greatest run, but I sat at home Monday. Today's Tuesday, so hopefully these guys can get me a return today, which would be awesome. If not, at least I got a run. It's better than sitting at home getting zero. That's how I look at it. And when I give out this information, it's not to be Joe Cool on YouTube or have a million people look at my channel, and it's just for me to help people out and to make the industry, to try and make the industry better than what it is now. Even if I help a couple people out, I'm happy with that. I don't need billions, thousands and 10,000 or whatever views. I just do the videos because I enjoy doing them, and I enjoy trying to help people out. That's why I'm doing these types of videos. I could just sit back and not do videos and not help people out, but we're all in this group, this little society of the expedite world together, and we should, help folks out instead of kicking them down. Help them out, man. Don't kick a brother down or sister down. Help them out. But that being said, just take whatever you can get. Basically, if you want to maximize money and dispatch calls in, it's a crappy run. Just do it. You know what I mean? Scratching your back, we'll scratch yours. If it's a one-way sided thing where they don't, then that's your judgment call. But I just figured I'd do this quick video and put another one out. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe. If you're, continued going back and watching videos, it's awesome. I appreciate it. And subscribe. Click the little bell button so you get all the notifications when I upload my latest and greatest video. And all that good stuff. We'll talk to you guys later. Everybody be good. Everybody be safe out on the roads. Bye for now.